Hello students, how are you all? I hope so you all are fine. Now kids, we completed 3 sessions of this chapter, right? Chapter number 4, Reproduction in Animals. In today's session number 4, I am going to explain about fish, reptiles and then after animals that give birth to young ones, right? So kids, let me explain you, let me help you to recall about all the last 3 sessions. What I explained in last 3 sessions, I explained about lifespan, reproduction, types of reproduction method, then after parts of a bird's egg, and then after life cycle of animals, right? So about lifespan, the period of time for which a living organism lives is called its lifespan, right? एक lifespan होता है, इसमें कोई भी living organism रहता है when the time of birth to till they die. That time period is called lifespan. Clear? Then after about reproduction, the process by which any living organisms produce of their own kind is called reproduction. एक लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स जो होते हैं वो अपने जैसे ही बच्चे को रिप्रोड्यूस करते हैं, बर्थ देते हैं, that kind of thing is called reproduction. There are how many types of methods are there to reproduce? Yes, there are 2 methods are there. One is by laying eggs and another one is to give direct birth to their young ones, right? Animals such as cows, dogs, cats, mouse, elephants, lions and whales give birth to their young ones, right? Animals such as birds, fish, frogs, tortoises, crocodiles and snakes lay eggs. Their young ones hatch out of the eggs. So here animals that lay eggs are like birds. Let me explain you something about parts of a bird's egg. There are 4 parts of a bird's egg: is shell, embryo, yolk and albumen. Right? So the hard outer shell protects the egg. The yellow part present in the center of the egg is called yolk. It contains a bright white spot that develops into the baby. A growing baby inside the egg is called embryo. The developing embryo contains food from the yolk, the white part of the egg called albumen that surrounds the yolk. Albumen protects the embryo from shocks and germs. It provides water to the developing embryo. The embryo goes through various stages and when the chick is fully developed, it breaks the eggshell and comes out of the egg. This process is called hatching. The parent birds feed their babies till they are strong enough to look after themselves. Okay, so these are the parts of a bird's egg. Now let me explain you something about life cycle. Kids, as we all know, mostly female animals will lay eggs, right? And there are life cycle of animals, like when they lay eggs and then till they became and जब तक वो एडल्ट बन जाते हैं तब तक क्या कहलाता है? देयर आर सो मैनी डिफरेंट स्टेजेस आर देयर, राइट? कि वहाँ पे उसके डिफरेंट स्टेजेस होते हैं लाइफ साइकिल के, कि वो जब एग रखते हैं तब तक से लेके एडल्ट बन जाते हैं तब तक वो स्टेजेस होते हैं, उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? लाइफ साइकिल, राइट? देन आफ्टर किड्स, the complete change in the form of an organism from the young stage to the adult stage is called metamorphosis. कि एग में से बाहर निकलने के बाद एक चेंज आता है कि वो छोटे होते हैं, when they are babies, and then they convert into an adult animal, right? तो उन दोनों में जो चेंजेस होते हैं, right, उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? मेटामॉर्फोसिस। क्लियर? मोस्ट ऑफ द मेटामॉर्फोसिस कहाँ दिखते हैं? एनिमल्स में दिखते हैं, लाइक फ्रॉग में, कॉकरोच में, बटरफ्लाई में, हाउस फ्लाई में, राइट? सो क्लियर? So here I completed explanation revision of session number 1, 2 and 3. Now let's start today's session and topic number 1 about fish. Fish to lay their eggs in water. Fishes जो होते हैं वो अपने eggs को कहाँ पे lay करती है? Water में lay करते हैं कि नहीं करते? Kids, fish is a water animal, so but naturally it lays its egg in water only. They lay thousands of eggs at one time, but many of these are eaten by other fish, other big fish. Kids, वो एक साथ it lays thousands of eggs at a time, but वो सारे के सारे एक साथ survive करते नहीं, because बहुत सारे eggs जो होते हैं वो दूसरी fish जो होती है वो खा जाती है। क्यों खा जाती है? Because this fish is not taking care of that eggs for their own eggs. वो अपने ही eggs की protection नहीं करती है, उस वजह से वो दूसरे animals जो होते हैं, दूसरी big fishes होती हैं, वो eggs को खा जाती है। Clear? The young fish hatch from these eggs. वही eggs में से young fishes बाहर आती है, right? Most fish leave the eggs once they are laid and do not take care of them. Most of the fishes ऐसी होती है कि eggs को तो lay करते हैं, फिर उसकी protection नहीं करते। That's why कि वो दूसरी ही fishes होती है, big fishes, उसके eggs को खा जाती है। Some fish carry their eggs or young ones with them. There are only few fishes are there who carries their eggs with them and who take care of their own eggs. कि अपनी eggs की protection करना वो बहुत ही कम fishes में होता है। Like seahorse is a kind of a fish only. The seahorse, which is a small sea fish, carries its eggs around in a pouch. कि वो अपने body में जो pouch जैसा होता है उसमें अपने eggs की protection करती है। Clear, kids? Now here I completed all the things about fish. Now let's start our today's second topic about reptiles. Reptiles such as lizards, turtles and snakes also lay eggs. There are so many reptiles who lay eggs like lizards, crocodiles, turtles, right? So these are the reptiles. Turtles and crocodiles dig shallow pits generally near the river banks and lay eggs there. River banks के आजू बाजू में वो shallow pit मतलब एक गड्ढा खोदते हैं, उसके ऊपर वो eggs को lay करते हैं, right? ताकि कोई भी animal उसको hurt ना करे, तोड़ ना दे, खा ना जाए, right? कि वो गड्ढा जैसा होता है, वो किसी को दिखता नहीं होता है। Crocodiles carry their young to the water body after the eggs hatch and take care of them for some time. Kids, crocodiles अपने babies को जब hatch करके बाहर आते हैं तभी वो अपने young ones को अपने साथ पानी में साथ में लेके जाते हैं ताकि वो उसकी protection कर सके। So this is called reptiles. Clear? I hope so you understand about reptiles and about fish. Now here I completed 2 topics. Now let's begin last topic. Animals that give birth to young ones. ऐसे animals जो अपने young ones को birth देते हैं, right? So that type of animals is called mammals. जो अपने babies को birth देते हैं directly और अपने ही बॉडी के अंदर उसको ग्रो करते हैं, तो उसको क्या बोलेंगे? मैमल्स। क्लियर? Animals that give birth to young ones are called mammals. Kids, ऐसे animals जो direct birth देते हैं अपने बच्चे को, that type of animals are called mammals. Keep it in your mind. animals that give birth to their young ones, that is called mammals. These include dogs, cats, monkeys, tigers, cows, elephants, horses, and even we human beings also considered as a mammals. You know kids, this is an extra information that I want to share with you. Mammals की बॉडी में हेयर होते हैं, उसके पास वेल डेवलप्ड सेंसेस होते हैं. We human beings have a sense to, we can easily sense surrounded us, right? कि हमारे आजू बाजू में जो होता है हम इजीली उसको सेंस कर पाते हैं. When we touch something hot, immediately our mind indicates us this is something hot, take your hand back, right? So these are the things, these are the senses. कहीं दूर से स्मेल आती है तो we really can sense that smell also. This is the smell of a rose, this is the smell of this is the smell of this, right? So we mammals have a well-developed brain, well-developed senses. Most of the mammals have a hair on their bodies, right? So these are the basic information regarding mammals. Whales, dolphins and bats also give birth to young ones. So they are also considered as a mammals only. The young ones of mammals grow inside the body of the mother for many weeks. Kids, mammals जो होते हैं उसकी बॉडी के अंदर ही उसका young one जो होता है वो it is like it is grow inside in the body of mother animal, right? जो mother animal होती है उसकी बॉडी में ही वो अंदर few weeks तक वो grow होते रहते हैं, right? जैसे कि हम ह्यूमन बींग्स है किड्स, तो ह्यूमन बींग्स की बेबी 9 months तक अपनी मदर के अंदर ग्रो होते रहते हैं. जैसे कि लाइक डॉग, टाइगर, काउ, दे ऑल्सो हैव सम, उसके अंदर भी यही होता है कि वो अपनी मदर के अंदर फ्यू वीक्स तक ग्रो होते रहते हैं, फिर उसके बाद ही वो बर्थ लेते हैं, राइट? When the babies are born, they cannot take care of themselves. Kids, mammals are kind of animals. Their babies cannot take care of themselves. कि उसके babies जो होते हैं वो अपने आप की केयर बिल्कुल भी नहीं कर सकते हैं, right? They need some care. वो अपनी केयर अपने पेरेंट्स से ही करवाते हैं. So, like we human beings are also considered as a mammals, right? When we were like so baby, when we are child, right? हम लोग बच्चे थे, तो हम अपना फूड खा पाते थे अपने आप? No, we can cook by our own self. No, right now you are able to understand me. You can walk, you can talk, you can do anything, right? But this happens just because of your parents, who helps you to grow, who teach you, they teach you how to do, how to grow, how to walk, right? So these are the things that mammals need. mammals को चाहिए कि अपने बेबीज को वो इजीली ट्रेन करें, उसका ख्याल रखें, बिकॉज वो बेबीज होते तो उसको पता नहीं होता है कि क्या करना होता है. क्लियर? The mother cares for them, feeds them and protects them till they can look after themselves. Mammals की मदर होती है, वो look after them कि उसको अपनी केयर करती है, उसको फीड करती है, उसकी केयर करती है कि नहीं करती है, उसकी प्रोटेक्शन करती है दूसरे एनिमल से बचने में. So these are the things that's been done by the mother animal for their young ones. ये सारी की सारी चीजें जो होती है वो अपने बच्चों के लिए करती है. Clear? So mammals such as the tiger teach their young ones to hunt. After some time they can live on their own. कि वो जो एनिमल्स होते हैं, मैमल्स होते हैं, वो अपने बच्चे को they train them, कि उसको ट्रेन करते हैं, उसको आ जाता है, फिर उसके बाद वो उसको बोल देते हैं कि ना यू कैन लीव. मतलब उसको एक बार हम बड़े हो जाते हैं, राइट? तो हमारे पेरेंट्स, अभी आपका ये एग्जाम्पल ले लो, आपकी मदर आपको फीड करती है, हाथ से खिलाती है कि यू आर ईटिंग बाय योर ओन सेल्फ, अपने आप खाते हो ना, राइट। तो एक स्टेज होता है कि जब तक अपने पेरेंट्स जो होते हैं वो हमें ट्रेन करते हैं, सिखाते हैं, समझाते हैं, एक स्टेज के बाद दे वॉन्ट हेल्प अस, वो हमारी हेल्प बिल्कुल भी नहीं करेंगे, बिकॉज तो अदरवाइज हम उसके ऊपर डिपेंडेंट हो जाएंगे, राइट। सो एक स्टेज होता है कि एनिमल्स जो होते हैं अपने बच्चों की केयर करते, सब कुछ सिखा देते हैं, फिर उसके बाद उनको आ जाता है तो वो एनिमल होते हैं वो अपने आप रहने लगता है। क्लियर? Kangaroos have a pouch on their body to carry their young ones. Animals that carry their young ones in their pouch are called marsupials. कि ऐसे भी एनिमल्स होते हैं जो अपने बेबीज को अपने पाउच में कैरी करते हैं ताकि वो दूसरे एनिमल्स से बचा पाए, राइट। सो दैट टाइप ऑफ एनिमल्स इज कॉल्ड marsupials. What? That type of animals is called marsupials, which carry their babies in their pouch. कि अपने पाउच में अपने बच्चे को कैरी करते हैं, उस टाइप के एनिमल्स को क्या बोलेंगे? marsupials. Clear? So here I am ending this chapter, reproduction in animals. I explained you both the methods, animals who lays eggs and animals that give birth to their young ones, right? I hope so you understand the whole chapter. Now kids, there are some activities is given in your book. It is a kind of like कि आपको आता है कि नहीं आता? Let me check that one, right? So open page number 4040. There's given answer in one word. A. The process of producing young ones. Chalo, I want answer from you people. Yes, that is called reproduction. Right? Now, next read. The part of the egg that protects embryo from shocks and germs. कौन सा part embryo को protect करता है from germs and shocks? Yes, our answer is albumin. Yes. Now, third. An animal that lay eggs. You can write any animal or else you can write any category. I have brought birds because they are the animals that lay eggs. Right? Now next, B. A growing baby inside the egg. What we are going to call it? A growing baby? Yes, embryo. Embryo is the correct answer. Now, last one. E. The process by which the chick breaks the eggshell and comes out of it. Which type of process is this called? Yes, that is called hatching. कि egg में से egg तोड़ के कोई भी baby bird बाहर आता है. That process is called hatching. Clear? Now kids, flip the page. Open page number 4343. That's given match the column, right? Column A and column B. In column A, frog, caterpillar, maggot, snakes, and lion is given, right? In column B, mammal, larva of a housefly, larva of a butterfly, tadpole, and reptiles is given, right? Frog. Frog का क्या आएगा kids? Mammal, larva of a housefly, larva of a butterfly, tadpole, या reptiles. Yes, the young one of a frog is called tadpole, and we are supposed to match A with number 4. Kids, use scale, okay? Now B, caterpillar. Caterpillar में क्या है kids? Mammal, larva of a housefly, larva of a butterfly, या reptiles. Yes, caterpillar is the larva of a butterfly. Then we are supposed to match B with number 3. Clear? Now C, maggot. Maggot is the larva of a housefly, right? Then we are supposed to match C with number 2. Done? Now D. Snakes. Snake is a what? Snake is a reptile, right? And we are supposed to match D with number 5. Done? Now last one E. Lion. But next one, the lion is a mammal. And we are supposed to match E with number 1. Clear? I hope so you understand matches. Now see kids, here we completed our chapter and even some track your progress also, right? I hope so you have no any kind of queries. So kids, in next session I am going to explain you assessment zone, right? I hope so you like this video and I have shared a homework of PDF with you, right? Try to answer it by your own self. It is so easy. Still, if you find any query, open your book and read the whole chapter. You will get your own answers. Okay? In next session, I'll start assessment zone. Okay? So if you like my video, like it. Until next session, kids. Bye-bye.